All right, hi first grade. For this lesson, we're going to be practicing writing some real and nonsense words using our clock stroke letters with our boxed paper. So get your boxed paper. And all of the letters that we're going to use in this lesson are clock stroke letters. So tell me where clock stroke letters start. Good. Over a space, just below the dotted line, touch 2 on the clock. All right. In your first box, write a, ah. What are you going to write? Good. Talk to your pencil to tell it how to move as you write it. In the next box, write g, j. What are you going to write? Excellent. G, j. Skip the next box. In the next box, write g, j. What are you going to write? Good. G, j. Tell your pencil how to move while you write it. Right. In the next box, write a, ah. What are you going to write? Good. A, ah. Tell your pencil how to move. And in the next box, write s, z. What are you going to write? Good. Tell your pencil how to move as you write it. Skip the next box. In the next one, write f. Tell your pencil how to move as you're writing it. My lines aren't very dark. I'm going to make that darker. In the next box, write a, o, u. All right, and the last box on that line, write d. All right, now it's your turn to tell me what to write in each box. What goes? So put your finger under the first box. What do I need to write in there? Good. A, ah. These are all clock stroke letters, so I know they all start over a space just below the dotted line. Touch 2 on the clock. What goes in my next box? Good. G, j. Write that one after I go around. I go down to the baseline, go below the baseline a space to 4, curve back towards the margin to 8, and lift. G, j. Right. Then I have a skipped space. That lets me know that's the end of that word. What goes in my next box? Good. G, j. So starting over space just below the dotted line at 2 on the clock. Then below the baseline, we touch 4, curve back towards the margin to 8, and lift. G, j. What's next? Yes, a, ah. And what's after that? Good. S, z. All right. Next, I'm going to skip another space. That's the end of that word. What goes in the next box? Good. Remember, that one has a funny starting spot. It's over a space just below the top baseline. Touch 2 on the clock. All right, what's next? Excellent. A, o, u. And in the last box, what is it? Good. D. Remember, D is a clock stroke letter, so I always start it over a space just below the dotted line. Touch 2 on the clock. Okay, so make sure that your paper looks like mine. And we are going to read our words. So everything we've been doing with reading our words so far, which sound have we been saying for each phonogram? Good, we've been saying the first sound, so we're going to keep doing that. So say the sounds for me and then put them together. All right, so it's ag, ag. If you didn't do it before, do it with me now. Ag, ag. How about this one? All right, good. It's g, a, s. Put it together. Good. Gas. This is not a nonsense word. This is a real word. All right, and let's do our last word here. Good. It's d. Put it together. Good. Fod. All right, good work, boys and girls. We'll do one more lesson today where we'll practice writing some real and nonsense words with the letters we learned today.